Are you hearing an annoying squeak every time you press the clutch pedal on your Boxster? This is actually very common on the 986 chassis, and Porsche even has a comprehensive service bulletin that covers all the different sources of any noise the clutch pedal can make. In the case of our O1S, it comes down to this: the power assist spring for the clutch pedal arm. I'm Damien from Pelican Parts, and today I'm going to show you how to change this out and get rid of that annoying noise for good. We are inside our Boxster. I'm going to try and illustrate this noise best I can using our microphone here. If you listen closely, you're going to hear a squeak every time we press in the clutch. As you can imagine, that can get very annoying and frustrating every time you drive your car.
The seat is held in with 4 E12 Torx fasteners. Slide the seat forward completely and remove the rear bolts first. Removing the driver's seat will make working under the dash much easier. Slide the seat all the way towards the rear of the car and remove the 2 plastic trim pieces to expose the front 2 seat bolts. Using a pick tool, pull up on the ear of the trim and slide forward to remove them. I recommend disconnecting the negative battery terminal before any work is done, as we are working in close quarters with the airbag system and other electronics. There's one main electrical connector coming from the body harness that connects to the seat. Pulling the sliding locking tab towards the passenger side will release the connector. Carefully remove the seat, making sure to avoid any damage to the door jamb, door panel, or other interior components. Now that you're nestled neatly under the dash, we need to remove this HVAC duct running along the dash to the vent above the ignition. There are no fasteners holding this in place. It's flexible plastic that is pressure fit to the heater box, and the other end running up to the vent. Sliding the end of the duct at the center console towards the driver's side of the car will free the connection enough for you to pull the whole duct down and out of the dash completely. Since the wires to the clutch interlock switch are sensitive to damage, you can disconnect them and move them out of the way. Take note of which wire goes to which terminal. These are just spade connectors, and you can pull them straight off. Depressing the clutch pedal will give you an idea of how the spring articulates and works. Before removing the spring, find a nail or pin to slide through the hole on the shaft at the back of the housing. This will lock the spring down and prevent it from popping out and potentially into your face. With the clutch pedal fully depressed with one hand, pry the end of the spring from its attachment point at the clutch pedal arm with a flathead screwdriver by using the clutch pedal arm itself as the leverage point. The entire assembly can now be slid out of the clutch pedal bracket and removed completely. Here is a shot of the updated assist spring. Install the new spring just as the old one was removed, making sure the assembly is completely seated in both attachment points. Removing the cotter pin is crucial, as the clutch pedal will not have a full range of travel if that pin is left in place. Verify the clutch pedal and assist spring operates without binding.
Now that you have a completely noise-free clutch pedal, head on over to pelicanparts.com to learn more about working on your Boxster.